Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng weekly reading for Pisces from January 8 to January 14, 2024. Okay, so this is our first weekly reading for this year, Pisces. Okay, so reminder lang na ito ay general reading po. So pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede pong hindi. Okay, and ang energies na lalabas dito ay pwede pong sayo or pwede sa taong dinidil mo, lalo na sa linggong to. Okay, so feminine, masculine, LGBT, yung mga nanonood and yung mga taong konektado sa reading natin ngayon. Again, basta mag-resonate, take nyo lang. Pag hindi, wag po nating ipilit. Okay? So, alamin natin kung ano yung magiging gabay, advices ng tarot cards for Pisces sa linggong to or mga posibleng mangyari gamit ang ating tarot cards. Ano po ang mensahe po for Pisces sa linggong to? Ano po ang message po for Pisces sa linggong ito? Oh, the Emperor. Okay, so pwedeng you're dealing with someone na may masculine energy, Pisces, or pwedeng ikaw ang may masculine energy, and pwedeng you're dealing also with an Aries, okay, and King of Cups, okay, water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. It's either you're dealing with someone na two different masculine personality, Pisces, or pwedeng iisang tao lang to. Okay, so there's a big masculine in our reading right now, and the Fool. Okay. So, pwedeng itong si the Emperor, which is the King of Cups, is gustong mag-take ng risk or take ng leap of faith for you, Pisces. Okay? Ano pa po? Page of Swords. Oh, so there is someone na planning. Okay? Meron siyang pinaplano, meron siyang alam mo yun, meron siyang gustong gawin. And this is new to him, okay? Pwede meron siyang ginagather ng information for this big decision na gagawin niya, Pisces. And it's either this is you or you're dealing with someone na may masculine energy. Okay? Pero pwedeng dalawang tao to sila or pwedeng iisang tao lang to. Pero ang dalawang cards na nandito is there is someone na may masculine energy na pwedeng older sa'yo or ikaw yung mas matanda, okay? Pwedeng there is someone na may big age difference kasi there's a Page of Swords and there's a King of Cups, okay? King and Page. Page is a parang young energy, okay? Younger. And there's a King, which is obviously is a matured, older person. So, there's a big difference, age difference for the both of you. Or pwedeng iisang tao lang din to sila. Pwedeng ikaw to, Pisces. And meron kang pinaplano, meron kang visualize, meron kang gustong gawin. Okay? And this is new to you. Okay? Hindi mo pa alam kung anong gagawin. Hindi mo, parang kumbaga, new experience. Okay? So, there's something na plano. There, kasi Page of Swords kasi represents us. Parang, getting some information. It's either this person is getting some information about you and about this big decision na gagawin niya. Okay? Lalo na kung meron konektado sa'yo, Pisces, or pwedeng ikaw to na meron kang tinitingnan. It's either this is a trabaho, pwede din, or someone na merong connection kay King of Swords, okay, a King of Cups, and the Emperor. Basta merong connection, and ito yung parang ginagawan mo ng plano. Okay? And there is the leap of faith. There's a big decision na gagawin for the leap of faith na konektado sa reading natin ngayon. And bottom of the deck is Four of Swords. Four of Swords represents something as parang praying, surrendering everything to God. Okay? Ooh. So, maganda to, Pisces, kasi there is something na parang kung ikaw man to or you're dealing with someone na masculine energy, parang sinurrender niya and gagawin niya just for you, okay? Or ikaw, gagawin mo to kahit anong mangyari. Okay? Parang pikit mata gagawin niya para sa'yo or gagawin mo para sa kung ano man tong dahilan na or rason na gagawin mo itong leap of faith situation na ito, Pisces. Okay? Pero kahit ano man to, it's either this is connection about career, okay? Kasi the Emperor represents as boss, okay? So, there's a career, pwede din, pwedeng job offer, pwedeng somewhere na magta-travel, okay? Or pwede din namang love, okay, na somewhere na nakatira mula sa malayo, okay? Isang masculine energy na nakatira mula sa malayo, and there's a leap of faith talaga, okay? There's a new beginning, new experience, and gagawin niya to just for you, okay? Or pwedeng ikaw ang gagawa nito. So, kung ano man to, wishing all the best for you, Pisces. Pwedeng meron ka matatanggap na news tungkol dito, lalo na sa linggong to. Okay? Or pwedeng hindi naman niya sasabihin, pero there's a hint. Okay? Parang merong, alam mo yun, yung parang meron siyang bini-visualize o meron kang gustong gawin and sasabihin mo to, yung parang, for example, yung parang gusto kong pumunta doon, pero hindi ko pa alam, siguro magre-research ako ng ganito. Okay, parang ganun. Okay, it's either ikaw yung magsasabi nun, Pisces, or there is someone na magsasabi nun sa'yo, lalo na sa linggong to. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words kung sino itong taong konektado ni Pisces and konektado sa reading natin ngayon for weekly reading. Okay? Meron dito matangkad. Oh, bahay, money. Okay, so merong connection sa bahay, money, matangkad na personality, company. Okay. Yes, pwede din, as I said kanina, pwedeng trabaho. There's a W. Tahimik. Okay. May dimple. Ano pa po? Short hair. It's either ikaw to meron nitong mga ang tawag nito, itong mga random words natin, Pisces, or you're dealing with someone na merong ganito, okay? Mabait, meron pa dito, masipag, okay? Maliit ang ilong, and kasal, okay? So, pwedeng merong connection sa love, as I said kanina, kasi meron tayo ditong kasal, or pwede din namang trabaho, kasi meron ditong company, okay? So, there's a kasal, may dimple, company, money, bahay, matangkad, tahimik, mabait, masipag, short hair, maliit ang ilong, and W. Okay? So, yun lang po, Pisces, ang reading natin for this week. Naway nagustuhan niyo po. And huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan, Pisces, na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay? Thank you, Pisces, and God bless!